We are doing our very first back to school haircut on Remy. She is going to be in kindergarten. Are you excited? So excited to go to school. I don't know how I feel about it, but she is so excited. She loves her long Rapunzel hair. So we're just going to do a basic trim on this just to make it look healthy. We don't want much length, and we're just going to do a very simple layer. So when she does wear it down, it looks really nice and professional. Okay, so we want to get the hair totally wet. The more wet you have it, the more control you have of the hair. So I always like to cut the hair where you style it, like where you part it. We always part it right here on this side. I always like to start in the back section, and that's where I create my guide. So make sure you're having them sit straight up and then put their head tilted down. Take a little section right in the back. Make sure when you're cutting the back too, you're also combing this hair out of the way so you can keep nice clean lines so you won't have hair that you're not meaning to cut. So just get a little section in the back. A common mistake that people have is they pull the hair out away from the back. So when you do this, you're going to create longer lengths here and shorter lengths here, and it just will not look good when it's styled. You want to put their head forward, and you want to hold this hair as close to the back as possible. So keep that left hand right on their back. Keep your fingers parallel to the floor and make your very first cut. Then take a little bit of what you have cut and what you haven't cut. So this, now I'm just going to have my guide travel around the head with me. So about every time you're going to need to fix their head, because if they're little, they'll forget where you had it last. So see, I'm going to take some that I have cut, some that I haven't cut, and right there you can tell that's where I have cut and that's where I haven't cut, and I'm going to match those lengths. Then I'm just going to keep going all the way around the head. Now, when we go in front of the ear, this is where you will put the head up. You don't want it tilted forward anymore, so it's just straight up. Right in front of the ear, you're going to take some hair that you have cut, some hair that you haven't cut, just like before. Okay, Remy, sit up straight. There you go. Now, you do not want to pull the hair away from the ear like this. Once again, it'll create longer layers. You want to keep the hair close to that ear. It's not like you have to brush the ear, but you need to be careful and brush over the ear and keep pulling the hair straight down. Also, you're going to want to avoid the shoulder, which means you're going to want to pull it out here. Keep the hair as close as possible. Let me show you what happens if you don't. You're going to pull it out like this. Okay, so see this hair? If I were to bring it down, the top hair will actually be cut shorter than the bottom hair, and it's going to make for a really weird bottom, and you're going to be super frustrated because you won't feel like you can get the bottom length good. It's all about how you hold the hair when you cut it. So I'm going to bring it straight down. Keep your head straight. Comb it down straight, brush it down straight. Keep those fingers parallel with the floor. Keep your left hand right against that shoulder and cut. Same thing right here. Oh, you gotta keep your head up. Cute girl. Nope, you gotta keep your head up. Okay, so once you've done one side, then you travel around and do this other side. Okay, so sit up straight. We're almost done. Check the length, making sure that they pull down right at the same lengths. Now all we're going to do is just put a very basic layer in her hair. So when she styles it, it's going to lay really nice at the ends. Now I'm just going to take wherever her part is. This is where we always part her hair. I'm going to take a little bit of hair on either side. And this is going to, we're going to create our guide for the layers. Okay, so do you see how much I'm taking? Probably like a 1/2 inch to 1 inch right there, section right where she parts it. Now I'm going to bring it up. Now I don't want a ton of length off. I just want the very ends to lay nice. So I'm going to turn my scissors at an angle cut and just take these ends off just like that. Now I'm going to comb it to one side, and I'm going to start taking little sections and match everything to that guide. Now with a girl's haircut, sometimes you won't even cut much in the front. So see right here, there's nothing to cut there because the front of her hair is a little bit shorter. That's totally fine. So take another section back. Now another common mistake that some people make is they will come up here. Say if you're cutting short layers and your layer stops right here, they're going to cut all of this off, but they don't ever think about the length of the hair. So when you're cutting, especially over the ear, this is really important. You need to make sure you find this bottom length. So see that length is the actual bottom length. You never want to cut that when you're cutting layers. With her haircut, we won't have to worry about that because we're cutting very long layers. But just take that into consideration when you're giving haircuts. And it's okay also if this hair is short and it falls down like that, totally fine. So pull it up, keep tension in the hair so you can see just a tiny bit I need to take off. Make sure you're cutting just tiny little V's, angle cutting. You don't want to cut blunt layers because it just won't blend. Just continue taking little sections all the way around the hair. You're okay to keep brushing up till you don't get any bobbles. So see how I'm brushing that, and then I'm going to put my fingers right behind that comb. Brush up, there's just a tiny bit that I need to take off. Now right here in the back, so I finished with this section. Now I'm just going to pivot around and I'm going to use that same guide. See how I'm combing that until there's no bubbles and so it's really nice and even. Putting my fingers right behind the comb, tiny bit left to cut. Okay, the haircut is done and I can't wait to style this and show you. We did a really nice basic trim just to keep those ends looking healthy and a little layer so when she wears it down, it's going to lay nicely, but let's go style it and show them, should we? All right, we'll be back. Remy, this is so pretty. Okay, the haircut is done. We've blown it dry. We've straightened it. Last thing we need to do is this hair mascara just to get any of these flighty hairs down. Remember, this stuff doesn't make it crunchy. It doesn't make it oily. It just tames all of these little hairs that are up in our part. You can use it on ponytails. You can use it on postpartum. Anything you want. This stuff is basically hair magic. So there you have it. Here is our basic trim. Remy looks so cute. Ready to go to kindergarten. Thank you so much for watching.